Hello everybody, Brian here from Brian's Broadcast. I hope all of you are doing well. Today is a very special fragrance review and this is by far one of the strongest in my collection. I've done a previous video where I mentioned all my stronger fragrances compared to the other ones, but this one just beats them. This is none other than Mancera's Red Tobacco. Now, if you will know, like Mancera is like the stepping stone into the niche world of fragrances. I got my hands on a bottle which is a tester bottle. So, as a standard, this is what a Mancera box looks like, and since this is a tester, I'm gonna give you a little close-up so that you can see the batch code and everything. Just for your reference, looks like this is a 2021 batch. And yeah, that's the standard, pretty much standard. If you have seen the Mancera reviews all over the internet, I mean, you know it all. You have seen it. Comes in a standard presentation in a golden pouch. If you want to give it to someone, give it away, like to somebody, your girlfriend, friend, sister, mom, aunt, they can store their jewelry in this. It's a very nice, decent thing. And this is the bottle. Bottle looks like it's a full presentation. I will give you that, and comes on with a screw-on cap, not the usual or the latest series is getting that magnetic cap, not those ones. This is a screw-on cap, so very secure, and you can definitely, once you screwed it on, there's no way it's coming off, so you can easily pick the bottle by the cap. It's a red bottle. It's not that the juice is red, I'm not sure even what color the juice is, but the bottle itself is red. It's got that golden bottom and feels like plastic, but the glass is premium. Feels really good, really nice. That's what the atomizer looks like, golden and black. And if you will notice, like the previous versions of Mancera's I've seen in the other videos, the atomizer is not too wide. Like for instance, this one, the neck and the atomizer, they're like very close. They're like very close to each other. They almost fall in line with the same alignment. But the previous batches are like a bit smaller, like on the width, that's shorter on the width. And this is the top of the cap. This was the bottle presentation. And guys, even as I open this bottle, I mean, let me just take a whiff again. Oh man, this is strong. If you ever feel like choking someone to death, spray 5 to 10 of this on a handkerchief or some paper towel. Just hold it over the person's mouth for a couple of seconds. That person will surely pass out. This thing is that potent. I would term it as when it hits your nose, if you're not used to spicy, warm fragrances and super strong ones, super potent ones, if you're not used to this thing, I'm gonna describe in a brutal way. Imagine you're standing beneath a rocket that's about to launch. The rocket just blows out all that gas and then the exhaust pipe and everything, it just ignites everything. The hydrogen and all the fuel just ignites and there's a liftoff, and imagine that blast going up your nose. It feels like that. It just hits you in the face. That's what this fragrance is all about. I've tried 2 other fragrances that are mostly for fall to winter. In the summertime, here in New York City, this one, I couldn't dare. I just could not. Impossible, dude, impossible. I tried this on a weekend on my skin, and when I sprayed it here, it looked like a big blotch of oil. This is that much concentrated, that much potent. Up front, let me just tell you about the longevity and you will know what the projection and everything is. This thing will last more than 12 hours. Easy. Easy, easy, easy. No way in hell you're gonna get below 12 hours. 100% more, way more than 12 hours, but that's like setting the boundary. 12 hours is the boundary and above. You're not gonna get anything below. If you get something below, I have a video of a Mancera fragrance, the Cedrat Boise. I had a very bad experience with that one, probably because it was a bad batch. I had to return it, but this is an authentic one, of course. This performs like a beast. It's not one of those calm and quiet fragrances like it whiffs out. No, it is loud. It's super loud. It's gonna let the whole world know I am there. This is that kind of a fragrance. Forget about projection, forget about sillage. You know what it is. Anything that performs 12 plus hours, and the description that I gave you, I think that's more than enough to convince you to get a bottle of this. Now the note breakdown, there's a shit ton of note over there, so let me get down to the notes. On the top, you get cinnamon, agarwood, which is the oud, saffron, incense, nutmeg, green apple, white pear. On the middle, you get the patchouli and jasmine. And at the base, you get the tobacco, Madagascar vanilla, you get the amber, sandalwood, gaiac wood, white musk, Haitian vetiver. Guys, when I sprayed it, like I said, it kind of like burned my nostrils. It's not like I sprayed it in my nostrils, but on my skin. But the first blast is like, it hits you in the face, like big punch in your face, in your nostrils. I mean, it just kind of like burned its way through. Maybe if it was coronavirus, it would have been just, coronavirus would have, I don't know if this thing is potent enough to kill coronavirus, man. I gotta tell the scientists to try it out, man. Oh, whoa, this thing is potent. Right, so tobacco and all the other notes mentioned here, I don't pick all of them. They say sometimes on Fragrantica, people voted for it, saying it's fruity. Not too fruity, because this is more of a spicy tobacco. Spicy warm. Definitely some winter time. Don't even dare try it in warmer months. Either you'll end up killing yourself, and in the process, if there's somebody around you, you're gonna kill them. It's that potent, guys. So guys, it's woody, it's kind of earthy, and sweetness is there with the spicy and warm tobacco. Fantastic combination. But to appreciate this fragrance, you have to have a nose that understands these notes. I'm not going to go into too much depth because I did not have enough opportunity to try this out. I have to try it out in winter, definitely, but this is like what I got from that one spray on a weekend in my house. I didn't even bother going out, and even after shower, guys, this thing just, I don't know, it felt like a permanent tattoo. It's just there. Does not want to come out. It's that strong, guys. So, where do we wear it? You definitely don't wear it everywhere casually, no. You gotta have a very cold weather setting. You gotta have kind of like a formal place. And you definitely need a wide open space. Put this on in an enclosed space, like I said, you're gonna burn people's nostrils, including yours. That's what it felt like. But this is a very good fragrance. Warm, spicy, very inviting, and like in your face kind of fragrance. Badass, beautiful, awesome. These are the words that immediately popped up to my head when I started using it. So guys, this was my take on Mancera's Red Tobacco, and let me know in the comment section below if you own this or any other Mancera fragrances in your collection. What's your experience? Do you like them? Do you hate them? What do you not like about them? What do you like too much about them? Let me know in the comment section below. I need more traffic. I need to beat this YouTube algorithm. So please subscribe to my channel. Put the thumbs up and let the world know Brian's broadcast exists. The algorithm needs to be beaten, guys. So take care. Peace out. All the best.